Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update iPadOS on iPad with iTunes Finder backups, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your computer is running the latest version of iTunes or macOS. Connect your iPad to your computer using a compatible USB cable. If you're using macOS Catalina or later, open Finder. If you're using an earlier version of macOS or a Windows computer, open iTunes. Once the application is open, locate your iPad in the sidebar. Select your iPad to view its summary page. Before updating, create a backup to protect your data. In Finder or iTunes, choose the option to backup your iPad. Select Backup all of the data on your iPad to this Mac or this computer. Click Backup now to initiate the backup process. Wait for the backup to complete before proceeding to the update. Once the backup is finished, look for the Check for Update option. Click on Check for Update to see if a new version of iPadOS is available. If an update is available, select Download and Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. Make sure to keep your iPad connected throughout the entire update process. Once the update is installed, your iPad will restart automatically. After restarting, unlock your iPad to complete the setup process. Verify that the iPadOS has been successfully updated by checking the settings. Navigate to Settings, then tap on General, and select About. Here, you will see the current version of iPadOS displayed. Your iPad is now updated and ready to use with the latest features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.